Question number 12 asks us to decode the following messages. So these are secret message problems. They're kind of cool. So this matrix A has been used to encrypt a secret message, and this is the secret message. And this process of using matrices was state-of-the-art for cryptography in the 1920s or late 1920s and the early 1930s. So this was actually how they sent some secret messages. So in order to decode this, I want to actually take all these numbers and make a matrix from them. And that's going to be my matrix B. And I want to fill this up column by column. And I want it to have two rows so that I can actually do the matrix multiplication with the matrix A. So this is because if we don't, then the multiplication will not work. So let me fill up this matrix. Okay. So then I want to take these matrices and enter them into my calculator. So I'm entering in matrix A, and then I'm entering in matrix B. So this is a 2 by 5. And then I want to do the inverse of A times B. So I want to go to matrix A and then raise it to the -1 and then multiply by B. So it should look like that on the home screen. And you should get these numbers here. And this should be my secret message. I need to read it column by column. So you read it like this. And the message, the numbers correspond to letters. And it should say, go for it. I don't know why anybody would want to encrypt that, but they are. So again, this is the secret message. This is what it said. So this you could deliver to somebody without fear of someone knowing what it meant, because they did not have the matrix which they used to decode the message. So you would give the person this matrix beforehand, and then the secret message you could broadcast over a radio or send it like in a letter. And even if it was intercepted, no one would know what it would mean because they wouldn't have the matrix here to decode it. So it's kind of a two-piece secret message. So again, 1920s, 1930s, this was the state-of-the-art cryptography system.